Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are dividing into a crucial topic in the world of cybersecurity, that is SIEM. The full form of SIEM is Security Information and Event Management. So we will break down the SIEM, what is SIEM, that it's a core component, how it the organization stay secure, like whether you are in a cybersecurity enthusiast or just are starting. So this video will give you a clear understanding about the SIEM and its role in the mode of the cybersecurity operation. So let's move. So now we can look what is SIEM. That is Security Information and Event Management. So SIEM means like it is a solution for the organization that is used by organization for what to manage and to monitor the security data from the various sources from within the IT infrastructure. It is like they provide the real-time analysis, alerting and logging of a security event to detect and respond to the potential security threats and incident. So same is in basically in short we can say like for any organization they need a SIEM, which is at the place that the organization with we can manage and monitor the real time data. So if any data we see any issues, we can get alerting and we can detect and respond. So now let's see what are the components of the SIEM. So first one is like log collection. Log collection means we are collecting the log, as I said, collecting the real time data. Next is data aggregation, data normalization, event correlation, alerting and notification, dashboard and reporting, incident and response. So these are the 7 components. First is log collection, data aggregation, third is data normalization, fourth is event correlation, fifth is alerting and notification, sixth is dashboard and reporting, and seventh is incident response. So now let's look what are the details about this. So firstly it is about the log collection. So log collection means we are collecting the log. Log means data from the different system, like from the network, devices, server, OS, application and security devices like antivirus and IDS. So we are collecting like this. There are so many devices we are collecting from the different sources. So these data means this log can be contain a valuable data about the system activity, like what are there will be user login, file access, system errors and the network traffic. So we can just in first step we are collecting the data from all the sources that are available. Second, it is about the data aggregation, which is that the collected data from this log collection has been stored, that we are storing in a centralized area, which means we can get all the things in one area. So this aggregation ensures that all the security data is in the one place and make it easier to analysis and deter the security threats. And next is about the data normalization. Data normalization means that is the collected data, and firstly we collected the data and then we kept in the centralized way. So we had to make it is came from the different sources. So we have to make it in a standardized format where everything we can able to collect and analyze easily. So it will help us to in the same collection to understand and correlate the data from various devices. So it will be easy for analysis purpose. And the next is fourth one, it's about the event correlation. That is one of the key functioning of the SIEM, that to correlate the data from the various sources. So this means like analyzing the data to identify pattern and relationship between different events. So for example, we can check if any multiple fail attempt is there, so it will be indicate the brute force. So event correlation means we can see from the data, we can analyze the data and identify the which pattern has been the has it. So we can find the relationship and we can find which is that attack and what is happening. So we can solve the issue by identifying. And the fifth one is like alerting and notification. So from here we will get what is the error. So from this we will detect a suspicious or any abnormal activity like a brute force attack. So we will get alert based on the predefined rule. So we are giving a pattern, a rule, what to do when this alert comes, what are the pattern, and by according to that pattern they will give us alert. So we will find a suspicious behavior in like a sudden spike in network traffic or any unauthorized activity. So In this step we can find we can analyze, we will get the alerting and notification. And next is sixth step, that is dashboard and reporting. So it means like a visualize security data, that is allowing a security team to monitor the trend, review the alert and track the key so metrics. So it will help us to make the report and regularly requirement to provide insight to the cyber security incident. The next is like the seventh one is like incident response. So incident response means it is a security incident detect, that is like it is tool often to intend an incident response system. So they can be helping the security team to investigate an incident progress and help us to respond the progress quickly and mitigate it easily. So these are the components of the SIEM. Like first is log collection, data aggregation, and the data normalization. And next one is like event correlation, alerting and notification, dashboard and reporting. And the last one is like incident response. Now we can see what are the how it work. So we can see how the SIEM work. So firstly, as I said, we have to collect the log, and the collected log we have been continuously analyzed from the collected from the various sources, as I said, from the firewall, routers, etc. Then we are doing the event correlation, which means we are analyzing the data to find any unfailed login attempt if any issues has been there. So if we found any issue, then next it will be alert generation. So it will help us to find out the alert based on the pattern or the rules. And the fourth is like incident management, which is like alerting using the SIEM dashboard, help the tool to determine if any threats is there. So if we confirm an incident response process is initiated. And last one is like generate a report based on the log and the security incident. Now we can see what are the benefit of it. The first one is real-time monitoring and detection, which means it will help us to monitor data in the real time, so it will help us to respond quickly. And second is improved incident response, which means like it will help us to investigate the incident easily, and we can reduce the time to detect, to investigate and respond to the issue. Third is like complaints and auditing, which means like plays a crucial role in the meeting the correlate with such as GDPR. So it will help us to detail logins and even generate the report and auditors. And the fourth and fifth is like centralized log management, which means from the multiple devices we are making in a single place, so it will help us to easy to manage. And the last is threat detection, so it is help us to detect the threats easily and fastly. So these are the benefit like real-time monitoring, improved incident response, complaints and auditing, centralized log management and threat detection. Now we can see some challenge of the SIEM. That is from, so first one is high volume of data, which means that we have seen the what is the positive side of it. Now we can see the negative side of what are the challenges will be faced. So high volume of data means that the data has been generated in a large volume of data, that alerting, and so it will able to like filtering some false positive also can be happen, and also it will take time consuming also. So in this we can issue like false positive also can be there, and real time threat can be time consuming also. The next it is about the complexity in the configuration, so which means like SIEM system and creating effective detection rule like for good understanding and security. So it will take network and application loop, so it is some complication will be there. Next is about the cost. So as we see that it will help us to find the incident easily, so as it say it will cost increase also. Next is false positive, as I mentioned here also that sometime it may generate a fake or a false positive alert. So now let's see, so these are the some challenges of the SIEM, that is high volume of data, complexity in configuration, cost and false positive. Now we can see some tools of it. The tools used by the SIEM, some SIEM tools like Spulk, IBDIA, ArcSight, Logarithm and Alien1. So this is the most popular, that is Splunk, that is most popular SIEM tools we have been used. So these are the other tools that can be used in it. So this is what about the SIEM, little basic but all covering all the things, what are the advantages, what are the tools we can be used. So SIEM is like an essential part of the modern cybersecurity strategies. So it helps us to find the real-time monitoring, alerting and reporting the attack, and it helps us to organize the detect and investigate based on that. So it plays a crucial role in the cybersecurity like IT infrastructure and ensuring the like all the industry regulation compliance. That's a wrap for the today's video. I hope you found this explanation of the same helpful, and if you have any question or thoughts, feel free to drop the comments below and I will be happy to answer. So do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.